Baby, I want you to know that I love you more than life. And making you my wife is probably the best thing I could ever have done. Having you as the mother of my child is a blessing from above. It's more of a gift from me from above. I want you to know that from this day forward, for the rest of my life, I would always have your back through good and bad. I promise to love you, to cherish you, to baby you, to spoil you, and to treat you like a queen. Just want you to know that I care for you more than life itself, and thank you for giving me the opportunity to show you something different. I love you from the bottom of my heart.
Darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, we're listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it, darling, you